What if you could predict your customer's next move? Shopify Analytics turns guesswork into profit. Here's how. Your dashboard isn't just a bunch of numbers, it's your roadmap. Start with 3 game changers: conversion rates, average order value, and the big one, cart abandonment. 7 out of 10 shoppers leave at checkout. That's a leak you can't ignore. But here's the good news. Fixing leaks is easier than you think. Heat maps reveal exactly where customers get stuck or rage click. And those abandoned carts, automated emails recover up to 30% of lost sales. Seriously, set them up and watch those wins roll in. Now, let's talk marketing ROI. Not all traffic is created equal. Your analytics show which channels Facebook, Google, and email actually bring in cash. Double down on what works and cut what doesn't. Simple, right? Ready to go further? Shopify's native reports are powerful, but integrating tools like Google Analytics 4 and Hotjar takes you deeper. GA4 shows you the full customer journey. Hotjar, it's like watching your customers browse your store in real time. You'll see exactly where they hesitate, scroll, or bounce so you can make smart tweaks that boost sales. The bottom line? Data-driven stores are 23 times more likely to win new customers. If you're ready to turn numbers into growth, I've got something for you. Download my free analytics checklist at growpulse.com/Shopify-analytics and become a data-driven Shopify pro. You've got this. Now let's make those numbers work for you.